Welcome back to ADHD Whiskey. My name is Matt. Today, it's time for another bourbon skirmish. In today's bourbon skirmish, two bourbons are going head to head that have never gone head to head before, except for probably several times by other people, but never by me, never by Matt, never by ADHD Whiskey. Buckle up, butternuts. We're about to find out which knob we'd like to most, the 12-year or its older brother, the 15-year. 12 versus 15. Let's friggin' do it. Knob Creek 12-year. 12 years old, 100 proof. America. We'll go on the glass labeled 12. Magic. Knob Creek 15. Go. America. We'll go on the glass labeled 15. Ooh. It's a bit drippy. Good to go. I just want to know if the 15's better. Damn it. And that's what we're going to do here tonight. Glass number 1. Ooh. Pants party. There's a party in my pants. And you're invited. Sweet caramel. This smells like a sweet caramel payday bar. If the payday bar were underneath a layer of alcoholic oak. The oak on the nose is where my brain and heart likes to goes. It's my happy place. My bourbon happy place right there. Glass 1 smells tremendous. The profile on this nose makes me goes crazy. I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy just to thinking about you, baby. I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy just to thinking about you lately. And I would never fall in love with another sweeter than you, sweeter than you. No, I would never fall in love with another sweeter than you, sweeter than you. Something about my mother's brother, something about my cousin's cousin, something about my sister's mister. Sweeter than you, sweeter than you. Oh, that is delicious. That is a great bourbon. That is sweet. That is heavy caramel. Sweet, heavy caramel, heavy brown sugar, sweet oak. There's some sweetness. There's some brown sugar. There's some vanilla, a little bit of vanilla extract. Is it a sweet oak? Yes. Is it a bit bitter? A tinge. A tiny bit bitter. A tiny bit bitter. Like an ex-girlfriend who found out you were sleeping with her mother. But I do like it. I like it quite a bit. I like it quite a bit. Glass number 2. Ooh. Glass 2 is different. Glass 2 is providing more of a berry. Like a blueberry. An oaky blueberry. It smells like a drunken blueberry. Met an oak door at like 100 miles an hour. Definite oak prevailing here as well. The oaky profile on this glass is maybe a little bit more caramelized and a little bit more coated with a soft, chocolatey outer layer of yumminess. The noses are similar, but I feel like glass 2 is more fruity and maybe just has a more full nose. Oh, picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture. That is nice. The experience on glass 2 is making me happy. Sweet, oaky. The mouth feels nice. It's pretty oily. There is a bit of a bitter oak on the back of the palate that kind of lingers around a little bit. But the overall experience is quite pleasurable. I'm going to go ahead and say it. I don't know if there's a $30 to $40 difference between these two bourbons. I'm not sure which one is better yet, but I don't think that there's like a $40 gap here. Let's A and B these buggers. Glass 2. Glass 1. Oh, they're totally different noses. That's weird. After tasting both of these and nosing them side by side, I think glass 2 has quite a bit better of a nose. I'm calling a stop to this bourbon skirmish at 2 minutes and 45 seconds of round number 2, declaring the winner by submission due to a head and arm choke, glass number 2. After tasting them both and smelling them both, glass 2 continued to provide the best nose and the best palate and the best finish. Although I really enjoy glass 1, and I think that glass 1 is a tremendous bourbon, tonight, glass 2 was the obvious winner. Is there a $40 difference between these two pours? Probably not. Probably not. I would say maybe a $20 difference, $15 to $20 difference. And the winner in glass number 2 is... Knob Creek. Son of a bitch. Knob Creek 12-year takes the win. The cheaper bottle takes the win. Just so we're clear also, this 15-year Knob Creek is their release number 2. It's their second 15-year. Tonight, the headline reads, Cheaper, Younger Knob Creek takes home the victory over KC15. At that $65 to $70 price point, I would say that's a buy all day. Am I happy I have the 15-year Knob Creek? Absolutely, I do like it a lot. But the 12-year is surprisingly better. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you like the content and if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment below. Have you tried these two Knob Creeks side by side? And what did you think? Which one was the winner?